I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. I am so happy to be sitting down with all of you for another great conversation.
Me too. Paul, let me ask our listeners something. Have you ever wanted to talk about your family in English but didn't know the right words?
Oh, we see it happen to our students a lot. Someone asks, "Do you have any brothers or sisters?" And they completely freeze.
Exactly. But don't worry, because today we are going to fix that for you.
Family is one of the very first topics you will hear in almost any English conversation.
Whether you are meeting someone new, traveling, studying abroad, or even in a job interview.
Chances are someone will ask about your family. But what should you say? What words do native speakers actually use?
That is exactly what we are teaching you today. You will learn to introduce your family naturally and describe your relatives.
And the best part is that you will leave this lesson speaking with much more confidence.
So stay with us until the very end because we're also going to practice together.
Yes. So, Emily, if someone asks about your family, where's the best place to start?
The best place to start is right at home with your immediate family.
Immediate family. That means the people closest to you, like your parents and the kids you grew up with.
Right. And what is the most common mistake learners make when talking about their parents?
Oh, I hear this one a lot. A student will say, "I live with my two fathers."
Yes! They mean parents, but they use the word for dad instead.
In English, parents is the perfect word when you are talking about your mother and father together.
Totally. You can just say, my parents live in New York, or I am visiting my parents this weekend.
What about the people you grew up with, your brothers and sisters?
There is a wonderful word for that, and it saves you so much time. The word is siblings.
Siblings. It is such a useful word because it includes both boys and girls.
Exactly. Instead of saying, I have two brothers and one sister, you can just say, I have three siblings.
But what if you want to explain who is older and who is younger?
This is another spot where learners get stuck. They try to say, my big brother or my major sister.
Right. If you say my big brother, someone might just think he is very tall.
To be clear, we use the words older and younger.
My older brother works in tech. My younger sister is still in high school.
It is so clean and simple. And if you are the one in the middle, you can say, I am the middle child.
What if someone doesn't have any brothers or sisters at all?
Then you get a very special title. You can say, I am an only child.
I am an only child. That is a great phrase to remember.
So, Paul, we have the immediate family covered, but what happens when the family gets bigger?
Ah, you were talking about the extended family. This is where the fun begins.
Extended family includes your grandparents, your aunts, your uncles, and your cousins.
And this is where English is a little bit different from other languages, especially with the word cousin.
How so? What is confusing about cousins?
Well, in many languages, the word for cousin changes if it is a boy or a girl.
Oh, right. But in English, a cousin is just a cousin. The word never changes.
I had a student recently who was trying so hard to explain that she went to lunch with her female cousin.
What did she say?
She said, "I ate with my girl cousin."
Oh, bless her heart. That is so cute, but it definitely sounds unnatural.
I told her she just needed to say the person's name. I had lunch with my cousin Maria.
That solves the whole problem instantly. The name tells you if it is a boy or a girl.
Let's talk about the older generation. How do we talk about our grandparents naturally?
The formal words are grandmother and grandfather, but we rarely use those in casual conversation.
Yeah, those sound a little too serious. Most people say grandma and grandpa.
Exactly. My grandma makes the best pie. Or, my grandpa loves to go fishing.
And what is the word for all of these people together? The aunts, uncles, cousins, and grandparents.
We call them our relatives.
Be careful with this word, though. Relatives is a false friend in some languages.
Yes, some learners think relatives means parents, but it actually means your whole extended family.
So you might say, we had a party and 50 relatives showed up.
Wow, 50 relatives sounds like a very loud party.
It usually is. But that is what makes family so wonderful.
It really is. You know, family is so much more than just a list of vocabulary words on a page.
I completely agree. It is a very deep and emotional topic for most people.
Many of us believe that the family is a project from God. It is a beautiful design meant to support us.
That is such a wonderful way to look at it. A special design that helps us grow.
Absolutely. And because it is such a gift, it is so important to truly value your family.
Valuing your family means spending time with them, listening to them, and taking care of them.
And a big part of that is respect. We always teach our kids to obey their parents.
Honoring and obeying parents is a value that exists in almost every culture around the world.
It builds a strong foundation. When you obey your parents, you learn how to handle life with wisdom.
It is funny, though, how every family has their own unique way of doing things, right?
Oh, for sure. We call those family customs or family traditions.
Customs are those special little habits that only your family understands.
What is a good example of a family custom, Paul?
Well, in my house growing up, we had a strict custom of having a huge pancake breakfast every Saturday morning.
Oh, I love that. Pancakes make everything better.
We never missed it. It was our special tradition that kept us all connected after a busy week.
Some families have customs around holidays, like opening one gift on Christmas Eve.
Or having a massive Sunday dinner where all the relatives come over and eat together.
And everyone tries to talk at the exact same time.
Yep, that is the most common tradition of all.
Before we share more about families, we want to take a quick second to ask for your help.
If you are enjoying this conversation and learning some new words, please hit the like button right now.
It really helps our channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a lesson.
We also have a question for you today. Head down to the comments and tell us who is the funniest person in your family.
Oh, that is a great question. Every family has that one uncle or cousin who is always making jokes.
Exactly. Tell us about them in the comments. We love reading your stories.
You know, Paul, sometimes the people we consider family are not actually related to us at all.
That is such a beautiful part of life. We all have those friends who are so close they are basically family.
There's an old saying that I absolutely love. A friend who is closer than a brother.
A friend closer than a brother. That is someone who stands by you no matter what happens.
Totally. You don't share the same blood, but you share the same heart.
How do you introduce a friend like that in English?
You can just say, he's like a brother to me, or she's like a sister to me.
That instantly tells the other person how deep and important the relationship is.
You can also say, they're chosen family.
Chosen family. That is a really beautiful modern phrase.
It means you picked them to be in your inner circle because you trust them completely.
Now, speaking of trusting someone to help you, how can our students practice all these new family words?
That is an easy answer. They need to chat with Mr. English AI.
Oh, absolutely. Mr. English AI is the smartest way to practice your English anytime, anywhere.
Yes, and you can say, I want to practice talking about my family tree.
And the Mr. English AI will ask you friendly questions, listen to your answers, and help you fix any little mistakes.
It never gets tired and it is perfectly patient. The link to try Mr. English AI is right in the description below.
All right, Emily, I think it is time for my favorite part of the show.
I think you are right. It is time for Pocket Words.
These are the valuable little words you can slip right into your pocket and use every day.
I am ready. What is our first pocket word for today?
Our first word is sibling.
Sibling.
A sibling is a brother or a sister. It is the best way to group them together.
Yes. For example, I have 3 siblings and we all live in different cities.
Our second word today is relative.
Relative.
A relative is any person who is part of your family, by blood or by marriage.
Like, all of my relatives are coming to my wedding next month.
Our third word is custom.
Custom.
A custom is a traditional way of doing something that is special to your family or culture.
For instance, it is a family custom to eat dinner together every Sunday evening.
Our fourth word is obey.
Obey.
To obey means to listen to someone in charge and do what they ask out of love and respect.
Right. You might say, we teach our children to obey their parents and be kind to others.
And our final pocket word is bond.
Bond.
A bond is a deep, strong connection between people, like a glue that holds them together.
Like, my sister and I have a really strong bond because we share everything.
Those are 5 incredible words to help you talk about the people you love.
But having the words is only half the battle. How do we put them together naturally?
It is time to smooth it out.
This is where we take a clunky, unnatural sentence and polish it until it shines.
What is our first learner sentence today, Emily?
I hear this one constantly. A student will try to explain a photo and say, he is the brother of my mother.
Ah, yes. It is not grammatically wrong, but it takes way too long to say.
Exactly. It sounds a little bit like a history textbook.
To smooth it out, a native speaker simply says, he is my uncle.
He is my uncle. It is so much faster and much more natural.
Here is another common one. A student wants to say their family is large, so they say, my family is very much big.
Very much big is definitely a direct translation from another language.
To smooth it out, you can just say, I have a big family.
Or if you want to sound really advanced, you can say, I come from a large family.
I come from a large family. That sounds incredibly smooth.
Okay, what about this one? A student trying to explain they have no siblings says, I am single child.
Oh, I see the confusion there. Single means you aren't married.
Right. To smooth it out, we use the phrase we learned earlier. We say, I am an only child.
I am an only child. Perfect.
One last sentence. Sometimes someone wants to say they love their family, and they say, I give value to my family.
That sounds a bit like a banking transaction.
It really does. It is a little too formal for conversation.
To smooth it out and make it emotional, just say, I really value my family.
I really value my family. It sounds warm, honest, and completely natural.
Okay, Emily, we have learned so much today. I think it is time to put it all together.
I agree. It is time for our practice conversation.
We are going to pretend we are coworkers taking a coffee break, and I notice a picture on your desk.
Sounds like a perfect real-life situation. I will start us off. Ready?
Ready, let's do it.
Whew, this has been a long morning. I am so glad we finally get a coffee break.
Me too. Hey, I was just looking at that new photo on your desk. Is that your family?
Oh, yes, that is a picture from my parents' house last weekend.
Wow, that is a lot of people. Do you come from a large family?
I really do. I have 4 siblings, and almost all of my relatives live close by.
That is amazing. It looks like you guys have a really strong bond.
We do. It's a family custom to get together on Sunday afternoons just to catch up.
Who is that guy standing next to your younger brother? He looks familiar.
Oh, that is David. He is not actually a relative, but he is a friend who is closer than a brother.
I love that. Chosen family is the best. You are really lucky to have such a great support system.
I really am. I value my family so much. They mean everything to me.
And scene. That was fantastic.
Did you notice how we naturally used words like siblings, relatives, and custom?
Yes, and you explained your chosen friend perfectly without making it confusing.
When you use these natural phrases, talking about your loved ones becomes so easy and enjoyable.
You guys are going to do amazing the next time someone asks about your family tree.
Just start small. Practice explaining your immediate family first, and then work your way out.
And guess what? We have another amazing topic lined up for you next week.
Oh, I am so excited for the next one. What are we talking about, Paul?
Our next episode will be the continuation of this series with the theme, Tell Me About Your Goals.
Wow, that is going to be incredibly useful. Talking about the future is always a great conversation starter.
We are going to teach you how to talk about your dreams, your career plans, and your daily goals, all in perfect English.
You definitely do not want to miss it.
Before you go, please remember to hit that like button and leave a comment below about the funniest person in your family.
Subscribe to the channel, share this video with a friend who is learning English, and keep practicing.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We value all of you so much. We will see you next time on Mr. English Channel.
Bye, everyone. Take care.